You ever think about how your clients see you? I mean, we look at each other on a regular basis and we ask our buddies and our colleagues, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? How am I doing here? What should I change on that? Hi, it's Bill Herman. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the show. But I guess what I'm saying is there's a lot of guys out there that compare what they're doing to the other guys in the business doing what they're doing, which I guess is an okay way to go about it. But when it comes down to it, are those people the people you're trying to impress? Are those guys or girls, the people in your business, are those the people that you're trying to sell to? Are those your customers? You know what I'm saying? Think about it. If you're in the wedding business, you are trying to appeal to people getting married, right? And we look at our DJ businesses and we look at our websites and we look at other people's DJ businesses and other people's websites, and then we do our best to try to do the same thing. Why are you doing that? Really, they start to see the same thing and the same thing and the same thing and the same thing. And this is why your clients say, how much are you? That's all I need to know. You guys are all the same thing. And you don't look like a troll. You're not very unhandsome. So we just need to know how much. But have you ever gotten married yourself? Have you ever had to hire a DJ? Have you ever worried about all the things you need to worry about when you're getting married? Have you ever thought about that? Really thought about it. A lot of you guys haven't gone through this process yet. A lot of you have never had to hire anybody like you. That's something that maybe you should think about. And if you can't see it because you haven't been through it, then why not talk to people who have gotten married? Talk to people who have been through this process. Ask them about your marketing. Ask them about your service. Ask them if what you're doing is something they're looking for. Look, I started to figure out when I got married. I went through this process. I hired a lot of vendors, and it was hard and scary and difficult, and I wasn't sure what I was doing, and I'm in the business. But when I started to sit down and go, well, if I'm going to charge what I'm going to charge, and I hired me, what would I expect? On my wedding day was a big deal. It was really special. And I want to be sure that day for me was special, and they want to be sure that day for them is special. So are you looking at this from their point of view? I know when I did my best, I started to look at it from my point of view. Yeah, I know. Look at that mustache. Maybe I chose the wrong profession. Tell me what you think. Write about it in the comments below. And until next week, I'm Bill Herman. That's me and my wife. I'll see you next time. Man, she's so much better than looking than me. Talk about marrying up.